Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate unit testing with Jest in React Native step by step clearly. To activate unit testing with Jest in a React Native project, start by creating a new React Native project or navigating to your existing one. Open your terminal or command prompt. If you're starting a new project, run the command npx react native init your project name. Once the project creation is complete, change into the project directory using cd your. Now, install Jest by running npm install savedev Jest. Next, you need to install the React Native testing library, which can be done with the command npm install savedev at testing library/react native. After successfully installing the necessary packages, open your project's package.json file. In the package.json, locate the existing scripts section. Add a new script for testing by including test just in that section. To set up the Jest configuration, create a new file in the root of your project called jest.config.js. In the jest.config.js file, include the following configuration: module.exports equals preset React Native. Now, to ensure Jest works seamlessly with React Native, you also need to install additional dependencies. Run npm install savedev babel-jest at babel/presetenv at babel/presetreact. Next, create or update your Babel configuration file, typically named babel.config.js. In that file, add the presets, module, Metro React Native Babel preset. With your configuration set up, it's time to create your first test file. In the /__tests__ directory of your project, create a new test file named example.test.js. Inside the example.test.js file, you can start writing your tests using the Jest framework. Write a simple test using test description equals expect true.tobe true as a baseline. To run your tests, go back to your terminal and execute the command npm test. If everything is configured correctly, you should see the test results in your terminal. You can now continue expanding your test cases for your components, ensuring code quality and functionality. Congratulations on successfully activating unit testing with Jest in your React Native project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.